it's Megan Gorg, director with 31 Gifts from Virginia, and it's August of 2019, and our stand tall bins are on sale. So this is one of our most popular items in the catalog, and this is what it looks like when you buy it. This is our charcoal crosshatch, and I have the home on it, which I don't believe is available currently, but that's all right. And it comes with these 4 poles. So this stand tall bin retails for $50, but this month you can get it for only $20 when you spend $35, and you can get 2 of them. So think of all of the organizing that you can do with these guys with this awesome special. So it comes just like this. It's got a great wire rim at the top to help keep it open, and then it has 4 places for our posts here. But what's great about this is, first of all, really easy to get in there. There's a little elastic spot right here that you slide down over that post, and then it velcros shut right there. So you do that 4 times, but let's say you're going to the beach, and the last time I went to the beach, you know, we brought our suitcases and the whole thing, and then I had little kids. We don't go to the beach that often, but I had little kids when I went, and I had all of the dirty laundry just piled up on the floor because I didn't really know where to put it. It's not like they had laundry baskets there, or when you go to a hotel room, and especially if you've got a lot of kids or a lot of family, and there's going to be a lot of dirty laundry. So you can see how easily this folds up and assembles, that you can just take it with you, fold it up in your suitcase, and then use it as a hamper while you're there. And if you don't have room for it all, to get it all home with you, which you might if you're taking a car, if you're driving, you can always just disassemble it again. But it's a perfect little hamper for when you're traveling. But so these guys, look at that. It's huge. So this is only $20 this month when you spend $35, and you can get 2 of them for $20 each. So it comes in this charcoal crosshatch and a few other prints. I'm not even sure how tall it is actually, but it goes all the way up to there on me. Each of my kids has one in their room for their laundry baskets, and so they, you know, can easily carry their laundry to the laundry room because I make them do their own laundry. And we have them in the family room to hold all of our blankets. We use them for towels, all kinds of sporting equipment, toys, all kinds of different ideas. We've one in one room that holds the yoga mats and some exercise equipment that we have. But again, these are $50. They retail for $50, and it is only $20 when you spend $35. So I didn't want you to miss out on the chance to grab one of these this month, only until August 31st. So make sure you check with me. I'm at megangorg.com, and I can help hook you up with some organizing to get you ready for school or the fall, or grab some Christmas gifts. These actually make really fun Christmas gifts, especially for people that hate laundry, or there's so many fun laundry sayings you can put on these. So it's megangorg.com, and I'd love to help you get organized with our stand tall bin.